the victory that in both the fields. Thank you so much, Kabir Khan ji, for getting this wonderful team. Thank you, Shibashish ji. Thank you, Vishnu Garu and Nag sir, for two of you, Nag sir and Ranveer ji. Sir, Telugulo mimmalni
The movie is coming out and it's such a special film. We had such a special night last night. It's really indescribable to me in words. We were all together with our friends, our family, our fraternity members, all under one roof. We watched it for the first time. The players of the World Cup winning squad watched their story on the big screen for the first time, and there was a lot of emotion in that house last night. Last night was really, really, really memorable. There were tears of joy and ovations, and it was one of those nights that you'll never ever forget for the rest. It's etched in my head and heart for the rest of my life. And that was just last night. Just tomorrow our film is coming out.
Many more to come, sir.
And even now I feel so fulfilled by this entire process. I mean, I'm trying to bat like Kapil Dev, bowl like Kapil Dev. Yes, I'm putting in the work, but I'm putting it in gladly. What a great joy it is for me to play cricket and to be, imagine, for me, growing up looking at this guy, looking upon him, admiring him as a legend, as an icon of sport, and being on the ground, being trained by him to bowl like him, to bat like him, being trained by Balwinder Sandhu, interacting with these legends. They come to our film set and bless our film. You know who all came, sir? Gundappa Vishwanath, Sunil Gavaskar, Clive Lloyd, Greenwich, all these people, they come on the set to bless the film. We had such a brilliant cast, such a brilliant team. So this entire process of prepping the film, shooting the film, has been one of the most dear and fond experience of my life. I will, if my life is a highlight reel, this will be at the top of the heap. It'll be full of everything to do in and around 83. It's been too special.
Sir, right from the gully boy to Khilji, you have been transforming yourself. I must say that you have actually transformed. Nag sir, with your permission, let me quote. This morning, we have not seen the film yet. There are a few people who saw the film, already choosini vallu. Annapurna Studios, Supriya Garu cinema chusi. She was saying, sir, I'll translate it for you again. Yeah. సినిమా చూసి ఏదో మిస్సింగ్ ఉంది సినిమాలో అని అనుకున్నారంట. ఏంటో తెలుసా? Ranveer ji was calm. Kapil Paji is quite composed and mature. And for Ranveer ji to bring in that kind of calmness was something that was not expected. How did you manage to keep so calm?
Ma'am, I actually just got off the phone with one of my very dear friends who knows me very closely. And that person was telling me that they saw the film last night and they said, I couldn't see you. And it freaked me out. I was trying to spot you in the whole film and I could not see. Your eyes had changed. And that kind of freaked me out. I thought that was the highest compliment,
That is,
as somebody knows you so well but cannot recognize you on screen and say you become another person. That was a very, very a compliment that really touched my heart.
Looking forward for the film, sir. Nag sir, you know, అటు అన్నమయ్య కానివ్వండి, రామదాస్ కానివ్వండి, షిరిడి సాయిబాబా కానివ్వండి, ఒక వేషం వేసుకోవడం తేలికే, కానీ ఆ వేషంలోకి ఒదిగిపోవడం, అందులో ఉన్నటువంటి ఒక ఎమోషన్ని క్యారీ చేయడం యాక్టర్కి చాలా కష్టమైన విషయం. ఈ సినిమా చూసారా మీరు? చూసిన తర్వాత ఇంకా చూడలేదా? ఓకే, మన బ్యాచ్ అయితే. సో అట్లీస్ట్ ట్రైలర్ చూసి ఉంటారు, పాట చూసి ఉంటారు. యాక్టర్
Parts, yes, I've seen.
Parts of the
Tonight,
film.
yeah.
Yes.
Oh my God!
He hasn't seen the film yet. That's what he told me. So how do you rate the performances? What are you anticipating from the entire film?
From whatever I've seen, అంటే ఇప్పటివరకు నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతాను. Let me speak in Telugu, sir. So it gets to our audience. ఈ సినిమాలో ఇందాక ఒక మ్యాడ్నెస్ అన్నావు కదా, అందరిలో దట్ మ్యాడ్నెస్ ఒక పూనకం లాగా వచ్చింది, కనపడుతుంది. రణవీర్లో పూనకం లాగా కనపడింది. అంటే నాకు తెలుసు 83లో ఈ మ్యాచ్ చూస్తూ నాకు బాగా గుర్తు. దాంట్లో ప్రతి షాట్, ప్రతి బాల్, ప్రతి క్యాచ్ ఐ స్టిల్ రిమెంబర్. 83లో అప్పుడు జస్ట్ కాలేజ్ నుంచి బయటకు వచ్చి, అండ్ అంటే ఈయన మళ్ళీ యాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారా సినిమాలో, కపిల్ గారు వచ్చి యాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారా అనిపించింది ఈయనలో చూశాను. అది And
felt as if
his smile.
you were coming back on
And
his
I especially remember the backward running catch. And all that, is it the same thing? మళ్ళీ జరుగుతుందా ఇది అన్నట్టు అనిపించింది. ఒక పూనకం వచ్చినట్టు తీసుంటారు. అండ్ దిస్ నేను ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఈ క్రెడిట్ ఓన్లీ రణ్వీర్కే కాదు. ఐ వాంట్ గివ్ ఇట్ టు ద ప్రతి టీమ్ ఆఫ్ 83, ఎస్పెషలీ కబీర్ ఖాన్. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ షూర్ హీ conceived and inspired everybody in this team, and I can see this. And like Ranveer garu annattu akkada Kapil garu వచ్చి my friend Srikanth వచ్చి వాళ్ళందరినీ బ్లెస్ చేసి, విశ్వనాథ్ గారు వచ్చారంట, ఇంకెవరెవరు వచ్చారో తెలియదు, ఫీల్డ్కి వచ్చి వీళ్ళందరినీ బ్లెస్ చేశారు. అంటే I want to go a little more before to tell you, ఇది ఈ మ్యాచ్ 83లో ఇట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మ్యాచ్ మూమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ హిస్టరీ ఇన్ ఇండియా. మాకు అంటే అప్పటి వరకు క్రికెట్ అంటే ఓకే క్రికెట్ అనుకునేవాళ్ళం, ఎందుకంటే మాకు లైవ్ మ్యాచ్లు చూస్తాము అవన్నీ మాకు తెలియదు. బట్ ఫైనల్సే చూశాను నేను, సెమీఫైనల్స్ కూడా చూడలేదు. అండ్ దిస్ మ్యాచ్ వాజ్ అ హిస్టారిక్ మూమెంట్. అండ్ ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ నాట్ ద మ్యాచ్. మ్యాచ్ తర్వాత జరిగిన ఇన్సిడెంట్స్ నాకు చాలా గుర్తు. ఎవ్రీబడి ఆన్ ద స్ట్రీట్స్ పార్టీయింగ్, బర్స్టింగ్ క్రాకర్స్ అండ్ హగ్గింగ్ ఈచ్ అదర్. ఇండియా అంతా ఒక్కటైపోయింది, యునైట్ అయిపోయింది ఇండియా అంతా. అండ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ దాట్, పొద్దున్నే లేచి మేము వెళ్తుంటే ఎవ్రీబడి ఈజ్ వాకింగ్ విత్ అ స్ట్రట్. ఎవ్రీబడి యాజ్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్స్ దేర్ ఓన్ విక్టరీ. వాళ్ళ సొంత విక్టరీ లాగా వాళ్ళు నడిచే తీరు, అందరూ కాలర్లు పైకి, ఎవ్రీబడీస్ కాలర్స్ వేర్ అప్. దే వాస్ a sense of pride, sir. That is what, Kapilji, that's what you bought into with this match. And cricket, dan tarvata it's not the same again. Cricket, India and cricket became a world name. That's all.
That's it.
After this match. And this is what I'm talking out of goosebumps. The whole match, sir, it's going through my head right now. Because I remember how he screamed and how he jumped and reached for that extra drink. You know, all of that happened during that time. God bless you, Kabir, for bringing this film to us. Really. And our younger generation, mana young generation, chudali ee cinemani. This is what cricket was. This is what cricket is. India, it was an underdog. Nobody thought India వెళ్ళి అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి గెలుస్తుందా, ఈ కప్పు గెలుచుకొస్తుందా అని. అండ్ అండర్డాగ్, అండ్ this team just changed. And now to relive that moment, oh God bless, thank you very much.
Thank you, Kabir ji and Kapil Paji.
I think Nag sir will have to take 2-3 tissue boxes with him if he's going to see it tonight.
Yes.
If you have
Tears of joy.
Indeed, sir, and if it's such a dear memory for you, I'm pretty sure it's really going to touch your heart. So you might cry. Let's just put it this way.
Yes, all the ఇంతవరకు సినిమా చూసిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరు, everybody is saying the same thing with every tear. Wonderful, sir. Sir, Kapil Paji, mic, and oh, he has a mic already. Kapil ji, thank you so much for coming here, and it must be an emotional journey for you, reliving the entire victory with these. This must be after 3 decades. It must be an entire reliving memory.
When they were making movie on us, so anybody do you feel your finger cross? I hope ban jaye. So I said, Kabir, I hope the person 2 years after the movie almost done the work, and they didn't release, and we were worried. The financiers start feeling uneasy. Doesn't matter what business, what work. And I will start feeling, I hope Reliance don't, try to say, let's do it fast. They waited for almost 2.5 years, and 2.5 years film money you are losing for that much. It's not easy. I don't want to tell you how much money, because I don't know exactly, and it's incorrect. But that was the strength what Kabir had behind him.
Wonderful, sir, and it's not an easy task as producers. Shivashish ji.
Yeah, so I don't think I will touch the research part at all. That is Kabir's forte. I can only say, like any movie making, we always say it's a collaborative journey. I think this film will remain as an example that what is a collaborative journey. To start with, I think this journey was started by Vishnu in 2013. We came into the picture sometime around 2015. 2016, I think Kabir, 2016 Kabir, and then 17 Ranveer came. And then 2 to 3 years of research work. Finally, the movie went into flow 2019. And we were all set to release on 2020, and then the world comes to a halt.
Standstill.
But frankly speaking, this film, I mean, probably this is a point what Kabir mentioned many times in many of the interviews, but I think all of us believed it, that we are all, it's a destiny that this film came, I mean, that we are lucky that sometime we have been associated with this film. This is not something you can plan to make. This has happened. This moment of 83 World Cup win will remain in the history of India's sports or India's overall system at large. That at this moment, at that event, probably the whole country started believing that if we have the will, we can do and we can win whatever is the impediments are there. It changed the whole country together. And kudos to Kabir that Kabir took this subject and crafted a beautiful story of all the legends. And we are lucky just to be associated with it. There is nothing else we have played the role. It's all credit to the legends that who have won that event, and it's all credit to Kabir and Kabir's team who created this.
तो वहाँ से मैं लीड लेके इंटरव्यू और एवरी प्रमोशन ऑफ 83 एसोसिएशन योर एसोसिएशन इज़ बीन वेरी इमोशनल. इतनी बार जितने बार भी हम आपसे बात करते हैं आप थोड़ा तो एटलीस्ट अंदर से हिलते हैं. Why so much of emotion, and what did this man Kabir Khan do to bring that emotion back onto screen?
Can I ask him to speak first? Kabir?
Your wish, sir.
He
This
can
is a-
explain you, then I can talk to you. That's no problem.
Sure, sir. Kabir ji, I've been hearing so much of madness in detail. वो बोलते हैं ना कि God lives in detail, ना? So smallest or the slightest of the details. What drove you to this perfection?
So, you know, a lot is being said, and we are being appreciated for the level of detailing in the film. There was no other way to do it. If you're going to be recreating an iconic moment, you better get it right. Otherwise, retire as a filmmaker and go to the Himalayas, because the country is not going to forgive you for that. So that, yes, is a given. We went through 2 years of research. You know, we sat for hours and days with all the original players. We went, you know, did primary research in terms of archives and meeting people who were witnesses. But, you know, more than that, like what Kapil sir said about the emotions, for me, the first part was a given. You have to do that. That's my duty as a filmmaker, to get all that right. But what my challenge is, can I get the emotions that Nag sir just mentioned that he felt on the 25th of June 1983, can I get those emotions back? Even a fraction of that, if I can get back into the theatres, I think we'll have grown-up men weeping in the theatres when they see the film.
And I know you would have nailed it, knowing what you have delivered already and this kind of madness together. You must have nailed it. Now to you, Paji. Say.
This cricket what Kabir showed and Ranveer played, it's two sides which I look at. One is the cricket and one is the family. Cricket, I don't have to talk. You've seen everything. If you ask me today, what do I miss? Not so much as cricket, what I miss, the family, the drama, traveling, spending time, talking to each other for 30 days. People misunderstand each other also. But eventually, the family achieved something why they went there. And I think that was more beautiful in this movie. Cricket part, yes, they are actor, they will do anything. But that drama bringing to the screen yesterday was the biggest thing.
I forgot to mention, Kapil Dev Garu, ninnati varaku cinema chudaledu. He had this...
Not me, that's not
The entire
me.
team. Yes.
Entire team decided. We have these days WhatsApp group, and we said we will watch all together. And we got opportunity. We went with Kabir and to Jadda, and they were showing on the film festival, and we decided no. Me and Mohinder Ramnath got up and walked out. We don't want to see. So last night we all together, and
All of them,
all of us
The entire team.
seen the movie with our family, with children, grandchildren, or mother or parents, and everybody was crying. The crying cricket is
imagine.
separate. How all the player behave, I think that was which we feel as a team were more proud moment than anything else.
It is indeed. ఆయనకు ఒక్కసారి ఎందుకంటే దేశాన్ని కలిపే శక్తి సినిమాకి క్రికెట్కి మాత్రమే ఉంది, అది సీసీఎల్ ద్వారా ప్రూవ్ చేసినటువంటి వ్యక్తి. మరి ఆయన ఏ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ తోటి దీన్ని నమ్మారో, ఎలా కపిల్ పాజీని ఒప్పించారో ఒక్కసారి. కపిల్ జీ, ఐ వాజ్ షేరింగ్ an interaction with Vishnuji earlier this evening. So I was trying to get from him how he convinced you, how he reached you.
No, I think almost 8 years back or 9 years back, he started coming to me. He said, we want to make a movie on 1983, your champion team. I said, no, it's too early. I don't like that. He keep on coming to my office for 3 years. He used to say, can I have a cup of tea? Again, sometime he start talking little bit. Why not? But I said, listen, if you want to talk about 83, I'm not here. Then finally, I must say that he convinced us, and I put it to the team. I said, somebody want to make a movie on 83? And whole team said, as we said, the team decided, okay, why not? I thought we are too young. I'm not too young anyway, but we were thinking that we were too young. Then Vishnu, one day, I called the team and said, okay, go ahead, man. It's your cup of tea now. And then he went to Kabir, convinced him. Kabir went to Ranveer, and that's where the thing started.
The collaborative effort
behalf
started.
of the team, more than Kabir Ranveer, I want to say thanks to him, because
Vishnu.
he's the one who really started.
ఇది 83 వెనకాలన్న తెలుగు పునాది. విష్ణు గారు మైక్ ఆన్ చేస్తాను. కింద
Hello. Yeah. When we were doing CCL, అప్పుడు అనిపించింది క్రికెట్ ఇండియాలో ఇంత పాపులర్ అవటానికి ఒకటే ఒక రీజన్ is that 83 win. If 83 win was not there, cricket wouldn't have been so popular. It would have been like any other game, like football or hockey or any other game, without so much of popularity. So if cricket is religion today, it's because of those people, couples devils or couple gods, who made it possible. So I badly wanted to do that film, and naalo okta quality entante 1% chance unna I don't want to leave that. So I saw some 1% chance whenever Kapil sir was saying no, that it can be convinced on okka chance. చాలా సార్లు ఫోన్ 2-3 సార్లు ఫోన్ ఎత్తకపోతే నేను ఢిల్లీ వెళ్ళిపోయి ల్యాండ్ అయ్యేవాడిని. ఏంటి వచ్చండి, ఏం లేదు సార్, క్యాజువలీ ఐఎమ్ హియర్ ఆన్ సమ్ అదర్ వర్క్, ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు మీట్ యూ, దట్స్ ఇట్. బట్ రియల్లీ ఐ డెంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ అదర్ వర్క్, ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు డూ ద ఫిల్మ్, ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు మీట్ హిమ్, కన్విన్స్ హిమ్. In the process, what I realized is, why is Kapil Dev a legend even after 38 years is only because he was the captain in 1983. He is still their captain. Because adi endukundante they believe that Kapil sir will safeguard their interest at any cost, above his own personal interest. The day we wanted to make the film, he clearly told only one thing: hope. Every player is given their due. The film shouldn't be only about me. It should be about the team. Alane, every stage, he made sure the team gets their due. And coming to Kabir sir, I don't think any other director would have done so much justice to this film. Chusante, it's like every frame is like a painting. The research, the detail, it's amazing. సినిమా చూస్తుంటే నాకు స్క్రిప్ట్ మొత్తం చదివినా కళ్ళంటి నీళ్ళు అలా 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 రోల్ అవుతుండే. ఐ వాజ్ ఇన్ టియర్స్ మెనీ టైమ్స్ వాచింగ్ ద ఫిల్మ్ బికాస్ ఇట్స్ సో రియల్. అండ్ coming to Ranveer, he lived Kapil on screen. At the same time, I just want to mention one thing that I never mentioned in any actor would want 100% for himself in a film. Like Kapil sir, Ranveer also played a true captain in this film. He made sure everyone in the team are taken together. Everyone got their, that moment in the, so if you see 14 players in Nappudu, anyone can be dissatisfied. No one, everyone is so happy, and that is possible only because of Kabir sir and Ranveer.
Wonderful.
They
wonderful.
made sure that everyone got that moment. This is one thing that never happened before and will never happen again. And 2 years lockdown lo unna cinema ela tiyalanna Subhashish ji always used to say, we should make the best film, and this film should be seen only in theaters. If not for Reliance, this film wouldn't have been what it is today. And thank you, Subhashish ji. It's like a relay. He always says, sir, we are playing a relay running race. You started it, you gave the baton to Kapil, then Ranveer, then we.
No, it's a
You're
wonderful
delivering.
term,
And
Vishnu
the
garu
last clap I'd like to mention is how thrilled we are that Nag sir is presenting it.
Oh.
I
The
have
wait and
been
now.
a fan of his.
And
since,
Telugulo present
as
cheyalan-
Chika sir said, since Shiva days. I'll never forget that film. So, sir, I'm thrilled that I have a film of mine that's being presented by a legend that I've always looked up to. Thank you so much.
When Telugu present cheyalanuntunnappudu, there is no second name that came into anyone's thought. It's Nag sir, and whenever we have CCL also finals, and Nag sir used to be in the ground. Thank you, sir, then and now. And your love for cricket is seen through Akhil. And thanks a lot, sir, for presenting and accepting our request. It's immense pleasure.
నాకు సార్ రిలయన్స్ తోటి అన్నపూర్ణకి మీకు చాలా గొప్ప అనుబంధం మనం తర్వాత నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది సో 83 ఆ బాండ్ ఇంకా స్ట్రాంగ్ చేస్తుందా
Yeah. First, let me thank Kabir Khan for thanking me. Kabir ji, I love your films. I've seen your Bajrangi, Baijan. It is my all-time favorite.
Thank you, sir.
It is my all-time favorite. And of course, there are other films too, but I'm just mentioning one of those films. And I can imagine the detailing you would have done in this film. I can imagine the life you poured into this film, and the director you are. And thank you for letting me present this film. And yes, Shivashish, we have a long relationship undi. One of my father's last film, Manam, we both produced it together, Reliance and myself, and we'll never forget that. That was.
I think honestly, I think the best part of Nag sir is that he gives that space anyone to come with any kind of request. Means he gives that space. It was easy for us to discuss and made that request. I don't even know what reaction would have been from anyone, but he took it calmly. Acha, you guys are doing 83, okay, fine. We'll come and discuss. And I said, Acha, okay. Nag sir is convinced. That is great.
Shivashish, it was like a dream come true when you said, would you present 83? I said, what? You can't present 83. This is something which I would love to. It just brought back the memories like I just spoke before. And thank you for the opportunity, Shivashish. And Kapilji is my hero from that time. You know, he was a hero then, he was a hero now. And it's just not, I'm not saying just because he played great cricket. It is the way he conducted himself on the field. And he always conducted with dignity and grace. And how he took his whole team together. It all projected out. Nobody needs to tell, everybody's telling now. But we knew it much before. And I'm so glad that I could present this film, Kapilji, about you and your victory. And of course, Chika, my friend. I remember him in college. He used to be our team captain.
Honestly, your age.
సార్
Okay, bye.
Sir,
I know everybody cannot be handsome like Nagarjuna. If I was handsome like Nagarjuna, I'd be in Sebastian's office and your office and I'd probably Ranveer Singh, we'll all be doing shows, movies together, macha.
Sit here. Sit.
Shrikant
I
sir.
said your age. I thought you are 10 years younger than him.
Sir, clean boulder. Sir, sir, this is not just with Shrikant sir. उनके बच्चे भी उनसे ऐसे डरते हैं, तो क्या कंपटीशन है बोलो? अभी अखिल जी और जय जी भी ऐसे सोचते हैं.
समझ आया वो? नहीं, ओके. मैं बताऊं?
हाँ बताओ.
तमिल में?
हाँ तमिल में.
Okay. Okay. They said children. His children is competing with him. They look old and he look young.
Now what I try to say, I'm 80 years old.
What she said.
ठीक है.
What she
What's
said.
what? But anyway, now
Madam,
sir.
what is this, madam?
Sir, nobody wants to talk about age and weight here, sir.
Hey, let's go.
yeah.
Let's go.
नहीं. बिठाने के
But
लिए
actually, but
एक ही बात
honestly, I tell you what. Definitely he looks very young. Honestly. See, I tell you what. I've been watching all his movies. Thora, Wild Dog, Annamaya, Ramadasu. You tell me, Shirdi Sai Baba, Telugu version, Tamil version, Hindi version, everything I've seen. I swear on God. I swear on God.
Chika, sit down.
सर नेक्स्ट आप ब्रह्मास्त्र के लिए भी वेट कीजिएगा आएंगे नाग सर जस्ट टू ऐड वन पॉइंट बिफोर आई पास द మైక్ ఓవర్ టు ద ఫ్రెండ్స్ తెలుగులో 83 ఎందుకు ముఖ్యం అంటే ఇది ఇక్కడ తెలుగు పునాదితో స్టార్ట్ అయింది అన్నపూర్ణ స్టూడియోస్ నాగార్జునకి నేను ప్రజెంట్ చేయడం మాత్రమే కాదు క్రికెట్కి భాష లేదు సినిమాకి క్రికెట్కి భాష అవసరం లేదు దేశ ప్రజలందరికీ కూడా 83 ఒక గొప్ప విక్టరీని మనం చరిత్రలో తిరగరాయాలి అందుకే ప్రతి భాషలోనూ 83 ఇంపార్టెంట్ అవుతుంది వన్ లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ టు యూ నాగ్ సార్ ఐ నో దాట్ వెన్ రిలయన్స్ ఇస్ మేడ్ నేషనల్ ఫిల్మ్ విత్ రణ్వీర్ అండ్ జీవా లాంటి స్టార్స్తో అన్నపూర్ణ స్టూడియోస్ హెస్ మేడ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ వాయిస్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ రణ్వీర్ గారికి సుమంత్ గారు డబ్బింగ్ చెప్పారు అండ్ జీవా గారికి రాహుల్ రవీంద్రన్ గారు డబ్బింగ్ చెప్పారు ఆల్ యాక్టర్స్ హ్యావ్ డబ్డ్ వాయిసెస్ గివెన్ దేర్ వాయిసెస్ ఫార్ ది హీరోస్ ఆన్ ది స్క్రీన్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ అన్ ఈజీ ప్రొడక్షన్ ద క్వాలిటీ దట్ యూ మెయింటైన్ ఫార్ తెలుగు అమేజింగ్ సార్ వీఆర్ లుకింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఫర్ ద ఫిల్మ్
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఝాన్సీ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అది డెఫినెట్గా హిందీలో షూట్ చేశారు చాలాసార్లు డబ్బింగ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఎవరో దాన్ని ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేసేసి సమ్ బ్యాడ్ వాయిసెస్ bad writing comes and it just drains the film సినిమాని కంప్లీట్గా పాడు చేసేస్తుంది అది జరగకూడదని స్పెషల్ కేర్ వాజ్ టేకెన్ అండ్ శిబాషిష్ insisted, Kabir Khan insisted, and of course Vishnu also. So we all got together and it was easy. And my only problem is nobody asked for my voice.
సో మీ వాయిస్ ఉంటే బిగ్ బాస్ వాయిస్లా ఉండాలి సార్ సినిమాకి నెరేటర్ లాగా ఉండాలి తప్ప క్యారెక్టర్కి వాయిస్ ఆర్టిస్ట్లా ఉండకూడదు
సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద రీజన్స్ ఝాన్సీ నేను చెప్పాలి ఇది యువతకి ఏమిటి ద యంగ్ జనరేషన్ నీడ్స్ టు సీ దిస్ ఫిలిం దే నీడ్ టు వాళ్ళు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అవ్వాలి వాట్ విక్టరీ మీన్స్ ఇప్పుడు గెలుస్తున్న మ్యాచ్లో ఓకే ఆల్రెడీ ఇండియన్ టీమ్స్ ఆర్ రైట్ దేర్ ఇండియన్ టీమ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్రెడీ రైట్ దేర్ కానీ అప్పుడు గెలుచుకున్నాం చూడు అది మజా అండ్ దట్ ఎమోషన్ వీ విల్ సీ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫిలిం అండ్ ఎస్ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ టుమారో యాక్చువల్లీ ఈ సినిమా వెళ్ళి ఆడియన్స్తో చూడాలి నాట్ విత్ ద ప్రీమియర్ షో ఐ వుడ్ లవ్ టు వాచ్ ఇట్ విత్ ఆడియన్స్ బట్ ఐఎమ్ వాచింగ్ ఇట్ I know it's going to be a great success. It's going to be a great year-ending success, this film. And all the best, Kabir, Shibashish, and Ranveer, and all to the team who's made this film. All the best to you guys.
Wonderful. And now I would ask our media friends to quickly, Vamshi ji, will you please handle this? Vamshi Kaka.
Hello? Yeah, all the media friends, whoever wants to ask the question, please stand up. Hello. Quote your platform's name. He's already asking. And please ask.
Hello, hi.
हाय सर आपने कपिल इम्पोर्टेंट मैच के लिए 83 मैच बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था इंडियन क्रिकेट के लिए. इट चेंज द फेट ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट. When you are entered to Kapil Dev's role, what is your fear and what is your confident to play this role?
Well, Kabir sir sent me a message and he said, I want to meet you about a film. And we sat down and he said, I want to make the 83 film. I was like, wow, finally somebody's making a film on 83 because we know it's a great, glorious chapter in our nation's history, like you said, and our sporting history. And this man is a legend. In one of my first interviews, for some reason, I had somebody ask me in 2011, I debuted in 10. And in one of my first interviews, somebody asked me if you had to play a biopic, who would it be? I said, Kapil Dev. I don't know why, but it just came out, stumbled out of my mouth. I guess because maybe I saw skin color, height, maybe something similar. Maybe I look like him. So, and you know, I'd like to play an iconic character if I'm doing a biographical role. So, Kapil Dev. In 2011, Kattu Kabir sir offers me Kapil Dev's role. I was thrilled to bits. I was like, wow, I get to play cricket. Because I'm an avid cricketer myself, so I love batting. Further to that, the most difficult part, sir, was the bowling. I really tried my level best. We were playing cricket for about 4 hours a day for a good 6-7 months. But what's very heartening to know is that the players themselves are appreciative of not just how the cricket has been showcased, but the fine detail. Each player says, like yesterday, we had a moment in between Hardy and Madan Lal, and it was because Madipa was astonished at how Hardy was able to get his action. He said, "You're doing my action better than me." So it was, and it's not just restricted to the 14 Indian players, the West Indians, the Zimbabweans. Like when you see the person who has played Vivian Richards, he's a spitting image of Vivian Richards. The way he walks, the way he plays his cricket. So that is the level of detailing. And the entire process to be playing cricket, being coached by Balwinder Sandhu was a really amazing experience. I had an absolute blast shooting this film. As far as the character development goes, Kapil Paji called me to his house and I stayed there with him for 2 weeks, with him and his warm and wonderful family. They treated me like a son and gave me everything that I needed to develop this character. And today, when it's been realized, last night's screening, that experience, it'll be in my heart for the rest of my life. This is one great thing I've done in my life, being a part of this film.
Wonderful.
Hi Ranveer, I'm Neha from ABN.
Hi ma'am, finally, you worked it out with Vamshi Kaka.
I can get whatever I
want.
Opa. It's a very small thing.
Opa. Even I can't get anything out of Vamshi.
He's a small guy, don't worry. My question is to you. First, you remove your specs. I want to see your eye-to-eye contact.
I have had a late night, ma'am. You'll have to pardon me. It was a very joyous night, so we were partying till the sun came up. So that's why you'll have to excuse me.
Okay, where is Deepika ma'am, the producer?
She's gloating, basking in the glory.
Okay, the question is like, you know, she played the role of Roma, the main wife of, you know, Rahul Dev sir. I just wanted to know what was the coordination and the difference you find while playing that role, you know? Well, on behalf of Deepika, if you can answer that. And your coordination about that, the family aspect of the movie when it comes.
This is something I actually whispered to Kabir sir in his ear while we were watching the film last night. So Kabir sir and I, like two excited children, were standing on the side and watching their faces while they were watching the movie for the first time. It was so lovely to see them react, to see them laugh, cry, clap, whistle, applaud. It is one of the most fulfilling 2 hours of my life. And Romi ji was sitting right next to Kapil. And I was watching her as well, and in all those scenes, she was nodding and smiling and clapping. So I guess the real person actually felt all of it, and credit to Deepika and the craft that she has as an actor. I think there's one thing very similar between, a few things similar between Romi ji and Deepika is that they both have an inherent grace about them, very graceful and elegant in everything that they do, the way they speak, the way they carry themselves. So that similarity is very much there, but these are some of the factors. The more important thing is Deepika knows that dynamic of what it means to be a great sportsman's wife. How you support their endeavor, how you support them in life, how you empower them, how you are the wind beneath their wings. She's seen it in her own house between my mother-in-law Ujjwala and her father, world champion himself, Mr. Prakash Padukone, who was there at the screening last night. So she has seen that equation and that dynamic firsthand. So there could not be any more perfect casting than her. And I read it in a review. It's like it was kind of, and I told you this before I read this review. I thought it was a master stroke because there's immediate purchase when she walks onto screen and I give her that first interaction between them. You're already in. You know, okay, this is Kapil and Romy because Deepika and I are married in real life, and you know, this is our first film after marriage. So that immediate purchase really does the film. It really helps the narrative. You're in immediately.
So have you ended up playing cricket? Deepika is a badminton player and you both have tried playing cricket?
She's a terrible cricket player, but she's an awesome badminton player. I can't get past 5 with her in a game of 21 in badminton, much as I try. And I'm a terrible bowler. Sorry. I tried. But your action, only you can do, Paji. But I'm a decent batsman. I'm hoping somebody will pick me for the CCL next year.
Yeah, Taruna. Yeah.
We would
Hi
love
Ranveer, this is Taruna from TV9.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hi. So you had come here for Ram Leela then. That time we have seen this mesmerizing chemistry between you and Deepika.
It's mesmerizing, isn't it?
Very much. And now we see Deepika as your producer. तो एक वाइफ होने के नाते क्या है और प्रोड्यूसर होने के नाते क्या बदला?
In both roles, she is the boss, ma'am.
Yeah. So my question to Vishnu ji. So Mr. Vishnu, you said that 8 years back you tried convincing him. So 8 years back, who was that actor you thought would do it, and now it is Ranveer Singh who is doing it?
Nannu populu college. Don't try to get me into trouble, but
No, it's
see,
okay.
చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఎన్నో అనుకుంటాం, but the best thing that happened to the
ఎవరెవరు
film,
అనుకున్నారు?
the best thing that
నాగార్జున
happened to the
సార్
film
అనుకున్నారా?
is Ranveer. థాట్లో ఏముంది, పని అవటం ముఖ్యం, and Ranveer did a great job. So
No, of course, we all
it's-
love him. He has done
yeah.
a great job. But then, who was the actor in mind?
I even wanted Akhil because he's a fantastic cricketer. If I would have made a Telugu film, Akhil would have been played Kapil.
Yeah. Sir,
So-
since we have seen Nagarjuna sir, so we have seen this love for cricket. Akhil, we had been covering him for all the matches and everything. Now he's an actor. So did you ever feel that in 83, Akhil would have been a part of this since he loves cricket immensely? Did you try something that way?
No, I didn't think like that
Right,
at
sir.
all. And I was very happy Ranveer was doing it, especially when I saw some photographs of his transformation. It's unbelievable. అసలు కళ్ళకి నిజంగా ఇది నిజంగానే రణ్వీరేనా అన్నట్టు, ఇందాక చీకా అన్నట్టు ఇది రణ్వీరేనా అనిపించింది. అండ్ హిస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్, మ్యాన్, బాయ్, దట్ వాస్ ఫ్యాంటాస్టిక్. Really, really good.
Shrikant sir, we can't see you sit quietly like this. Actually, you're the show stealer here. Showstopper, show stealer and all.
स्टॉपर नहीं होगा तरुणा, शो स्टीलर है.
Stealer ही है ना? हाँ, चलो ठीक है. So I want to know, you said like sir was your classmate and all. So who was a good student? You or Nagarjuna sir?
Yeah, we are classmates. That's true.
कौन था good student?
Who was a better student? I think I was a better student.
He was a better student.
Have you both played
Hello?
cricket? Any memories?
No, we didn't see. It's just that poor guy was staying in a hostel. And it's College of Engineering, Gindi, right across IIT. It is the second best engineering college, one of the best engineering colleges in India after the IIT rungs, okay? And this guy was a very quiet student. And obviously he got ragged a lot from the hostel guys, where those big guys from the day scholars were supporting him. Then he went out to America to finish his engineering. Then came back and said, you know what? ఏమి అయింది ఇక్కడ that and all we have done. All of us have done.
No, maybe
Everybody, all of us. See, once you enter into college, you, me, Nag, Ranveer, Kabir, Kapil, anybody, all of us are the same, man. Come on, yeah. He's been kya farak hai?
I didn't go to the college, so it can't be the same.
I didn't want to say that.
I remember one thing when Shrikant used to bat, the whole of the college would be there around the field, and the balls would be flying top of us. I still remember, man, he was like lightning, and it was fantastic, Chika. And we played a match. We never got a batting chance because he finished the match.
Who?
I'll tell you about our college. There used to be one girl in our class. 40 boys and one girl, if you remember.
Correct. I don't want to go beyond that. Nagarjuna has answered the question. Next question on 83, please. There.
Hello. The gentleman there.
Hello. Sir,
Wow, I love your name, man.
Stood 38 years ago, and we had, because there's video footage available of that moment, we had recreated it to the last detail, down to the tie color and the colors of the clothes and everybody. But we had not factored two things that happened. Both were bouncers. As I was about to, and then finally I was about to call action, and these two ladies come with a trolley with something covered with a velvet cloth, and they've got these white gloves on, and they push the trolley right next to me, and they unveil what is below the velvet cloth, and that was the real 1983 World Cup from the museum. And they just pick it up casually and they say, "We want you to shoot with this." And I'm like, okay. And I hold that cup, and there's just the feel of that cup, and I'm stunned. So I just go and give it to Ranveer, and I say, "Action," and Ranveer enacts the scene. And at the moment I say cut, everybody on that balcony broke down and started crying.
Hello, sir.
Teared.
Sir, Vishnu garu. Andarki namaskaram.
ఎక్కడున్నారు?
Sir,
Newspaper article printed in the period when 1983 World Cup was being played, whether it's in London or whether it's in India. And yes, I know what you're referring to, the tensions between superstars of the team and, the dynamics that happen within a team. And yes, again, without giving spoilers, of course, we've touched on everything that changed the dynamic of that game.
Very honest.
hello.
నేహ ఒక నిమిషం క్వశ్చన్స్ తీసుకుందాం ఫస్ట్. అమ్మా అడగండి.
Vishnu sir.
ఇక్కడ ఉంది మైక్.
On Deccan Chronicle, this idea was born several years ago. I know the metamorphosis that went into bringing the film it made. But as a filmmaker, weren't you apprehensive that your visibility could be sidelined? Just asking at a personal level.
The people that are associated with the project made me so comfortable that I never felt left out. Either it's Kabir or Ranveer or Subhashish. They've been extremely sweet to me, and I felt I'm part of the family. I never felt left out. Last night,
You don't have to feel you are part of the family.
No, I want to quote. Deepika was thanking me, saying, "Vishnu, you're so generous enough to make us part of the film." So, antakana best compliment e untadi. Like I can't thank God enough for making me part of this film, and we are all happy to give you a great product.
Yeah, wonderful.
Sir, this is Lakshmi Narayana from Studio and News Channel.
You have to sit down.
कपिल जी, आपसे एक प्रश्न है मेरा. ऑलरेडी इंडियन स्क्रीन पे धोनी का पिक्चर आया है क्रिकेटर के बारे में. तो क्या लगता है कि धोनी से पहले, मतलब धोनी का पिक्चर जो रिलीज हुआ है उससे पहले 83 आना चाहिए?
कोई कंपटीशन थोड़ा है हमारा. There is no competition. I think some of the movie we make come after 20 years also, you will ask the same question. जब भी कोई अच्छा चीज आता है उसको एंजॉय करो.
शुक्रिया.
బట్ లక్ష్మీనారాయణ గారు మంచి క్వశ్చన్ అడిగారు. ఆయన he never wanted this film to be done అట. That's for competition at all.
हमें लगता था कि
I'll
we are
answer that
quite
question.
young.
Actually, on Kapil Dev, I should be qualified enough to answer the question because I'm the only player played along with him. There could have been so many movies made only on Kapil Dev. But Kapil Dev had insisted it will be only 83 World Cup with all the players who played along the World Cup, with the manager who is from Hyderabad, Mr. P.R. Mansingh, for your information.
Yes.
That is the greatest heart of Kapil Dev, big heart of Kapil Dev. What do you say, Ranveer?
I love it.
Come here. What do you say next?
The captain.
That is why Kapil Dev is Kapil Dev. KDN is KDN.
Yes.
Kapil Dev Nikaj. That's it. KDN. मेरे पास एक्टिंग है आप रोल देना चाहिए दे रहे को क्या रोल दे रहे मेरे को बोलो हाँ
Taruna heroine
done
for
and
a
cut
terrible.
done if you give me a good deal done and cut done done and cut done take it done accept it
Hello.
Yes,
what's your good
consider.
name huh?
Kamla.
Taruna.
Karuna
Taruna. T. Taruna.
Taruna please Vishnu take the Taruna's number and Nagarjuna will be with me no Ranveer, Nagarjuna, Kabir, everybody, same team. Kapil Dev, mera bhai.
Taruna, he's doing acting for last 30 to 40 years. What are you talking about?
Do you believe him? Do you act? Do I think I don't act?
Is anybody better actor than him? That's what I said. He's
Sir,
the
one
best
question.
actor we 83 team had.
Sir,
You said it, energy.
Chiki,
That's
chiki.
what this man has got in the movie yesterday. Honestly, because we saw the movie for the first time,
Yes.
the energy that Ranveer Singh has brought into the movie, dear friends,
all right.
is simply outstanding and amazing. Thank you
Wonderful,
very much,
sir.
Ranveer.
One last question. చీకా గారు జీవ గారు మీ రోల్ ప్లే చేశారు చూసి మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది యాక్టర్ జీవ హ్యాస్ ప్లేడ్ యువర్
చాలా బాగున్నారునా
బా
చాలా బాగా యాక్ట్ చేశానా చాలా బాగున్నారునా
సార్ మీరు నన్ను
He
తెలుగులో
did very well.
confuse చేశారు.
What is it? What Telugu?
బాగా చేశారు
Jiva acting, he came to me. Poor fellow Kabir brought him to my office. Chika, sir, this is Jiva, he's going to do your role. I only told Jiva this. Do that, Ramacha. Just go, do that. And he came to home, but I think Jiva has done a brilliant job, honestly. What we saw yesterday, he's done an excellent job. I should congratulate Jiva for an outstanding job of doing the role of Srikant.
He made you cry, no? He made you cry. I saw that.
He was brilliant.
I saw.
He was brilliant.
Wonderful. So looking forward, we have to wind up because time is short. Yeah, we have to. There's a premiere show happening. Thank you so much, all of you. Looking forward for 83 in Telugu. Hit theatres tomorrow. That is
Thank you,
24th
ma'am.
of December. All the best.
Thank you
83.
all.
Thank you. To get real training. How did you manage this, Ranveer ji?
Ma'am, I can't tell you what this whole experience from him, what you felt in the screening. We partied hard after the screening.
That's what I want to talk about for a change.
Yes.
We partied hard. But what did you feel when you were watching?
See-
Because Kabir sir and I were watching you while you were watching the film.
See, the truth is, I was about to talk about that, and thank God you asked me the question. I was hoping that you will ask me the question. See, yesterday, कल मेरे पास मैं पहली बार मैं देखा सिनेमा ऐसा कपिल देव जैसा बोला भी ना पहली बार देखा. I think I should talk this only in English because I could communicate properly in that. Honestly, I told Ranveer last night, I don't think it was Ranveer Singh on the screen. It was Kapil Dev on the screen. I tell you honestly, dear viewers.
Wow.
I tell you honestly, you will, whenever you watch the movie, because I'm not trying to exaggerate, I don't believe in flattering, I just talk from my heart, you all know how I talk, right? Just like my batting.
Hey, you talk like you bat, huh?
I talk, batting में कोटिना बागेम कोटाटी लेगियम खत्म खत्म ये लोग कोटले वाला गोइंदा गोइंदा मारो मारो तो मारो आउट तो आउट है ना बैटिंग स्टाइल जैसे मैं बात भी करेगा. Yesterday I tell you Nagarjuna honestly, since you are a superstar yourself, I did not see Kapil Dev. I did not see Ranveer Singh. I saw only Kapil Dev. I could not recognize Ranveer Singh. The way I think Kabir, you have done a brilliant job. Because we have spoken enough about thank you. Because we have spoken enough about cricket, as Kapil said very rightly. I'm talking about a review of a cinema of ourselves, reeling ourselves, and to the minutest details, dear viewers, dear friends, I would say everything has been covered. There's not a single false message in this movie.
Super.
Here and there, they could have probably adjusted it. Thoda adjustment, that's all. But everything is true. Till yesterday, there are so many personal matters of Kapil Dev which I didn't know. Can you see?
So you're
No,
not a
you're not
fan.
going to give any spoilers,
Can
please.
I ask him? Okay, no, there are so many things like how his mother calls them and all. And Kapil Dev, we are all known, comes from a very, very simple joint family background because we've all gone there. I mean, we have been invited to his house and all. The greatness of Kapil Dev is shown in the movie here. His simplicity, dear friends, his simplicity. I swear on God, you will never find a superstar cricketer, one of the greatest all-rounders after Sir Garfield Sobers, being so simple, Capsi. To see great Opaji.
To see great Opaji.
To see great Opaji.
Yes, and 83 be great hoga, sir, as I was mentioning. He himself, Mr. Ranveer Singh, onto the stage. Our director, Kabir Khan, who led the entire team. And let me welcome Paji, Mr. Kapil Dev, onto the stage. Sir, can we take these chairs on the right, sir, please? Sir, Shrikant, sir, can you... ఇలాంటి పిచ్చులు చేయలేమని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో ఈ పిచ్చిని చూస్తే మీకు ఏమనిపిస్తుంది? I said there needs to be a madness.
Madness in you. And how do you feel when I look at madness?
Artists are supposed to be a little mad, you know. I think everybody who works in the creative field is little cracked only. How Chika, he calls his captain also mad only, like that dialogue in the trailer also you've seen. You say the dialogue. Kya
pagal hai hamara captain.
So and Chika says we were spending time together and he says every kind of genius is a little bit crazy, right?
No, we have one more. Yes,
we have one more crazy guy over here, He's a mad guy, eh?
What, bacha?
He's crazy.
I tell you something, dear viewers. मैं एक नमस्कार अंडी मैं एक ఇప్పుడు చెప్తారు एक సీక్రెట్ మొదలు చెప్తారు एक సీక్రెట్ మొదలు చెప్తారు
సార్ మేము ముందు మీకు మైక్ ఇచ్చాం చూసారా సార్
మైక్ లేదండి
ఆ మైక్ అక్కర్లేదు సార్ మీకు యు డోంట్ రిక్వైర్ అ మైక్ ఓన్లీ
एनर्जी इज दिस गाय ये 83 का एनर्जी किधर से आया ना हमारा पागल कैप्टन से आया कोई पागल है तो ये लोकल लैंग्वेज ఇప్పుడు నమస్కారం అండి ఇక్కడ చూడు పెద్ద పెద్ద సూపర్ స్టార్స్ ఉన్నారు ఎదురు రణవీర్ సింగ్ ఉదరు ఇక్కడ नागार्जुन कपिल देव किंग कबीर खान इसका नाम क्या है नया नाम किंग कबीर खान ऑफ डायरेक्शन ओ हर्ष बोसे मार्केटिंग हेड हमारा विष्णु है उधर ఇప్పుడు एक सीक्रेट చెప్తారు ఇక్కడ రాబా आमा ఇక్కడ రా
సార్ నా క్వశ్చన్ మీరు లీక్ చేసేస్తున్నారు సార్
ये एक मिनट मा ठहरो मा एक मिनट
అయిపోయింది
ये नागार्जुन गारू कोई नहीं है मेरा क्लासमेट है मालूम है
क्या
पहला 2 साल का इंजीनियरिंग मेरे साथ पढ़ा उस टाइम में चुपचाप करके उस सडनली एक दिन देखा शिवा ड्राइंग
शिवा
कौन रे नागार्जुन हमारा नागार्जुन ऐसा कैसा हो गया रे वो एनर्जी है किधर से ये एनर्जी मालूम आ गया मालूम नहीं है वो नागार्जुन का एनर्जी है
సార్ నేను ఒక క్వశ్చన్ మిమ్మల్ని అడుగుతాను సార్ ఐ వాస్ ఆస్కింగ్ అబౌట్ an actor's madness now I need to change my question to a cricketer's
this
madness
madness comes from this only energy you ask no ఏమి పూछారు
అదే సార్
ఏమి కూర్చారు నాగార్జున గారు మ్యాడ్ బోలానా
సార్ ఒక యాక్టర్ కి పిచ్చి ఉండాలి కరెక్టేనా అని అడిగాను సార్
see you have to understand all mad people are brilliant there is something called method to madness this is method to madness these 3 people sitting here are method to madness this is semi method to madness and this is calmness nothing else
no the calm before the
with
storm
all the mad people around somebody has to put the energy together right that is Mr. Kabir Khan iska kaam wahi hai
sir the calm before the storm
ओ काम you are किधर जा रहे थे किधर ఎక్కడ చేస్తారు రే क्या बोल रहे ఇక్కడ చూడు రే
అదే సార్ okay so let me also tell you that this man is not just a simple actor for this film